Alright guys, found this Honda vessel abandoned by the sea. Jungle, mud, snakes, the whole package. But today, we are taking it to the workshop. Time to strip it down, clean it up, and bring it back to life. Subscribe and watch this vessel go from zero to hero.
The area is clear. Let's get this Honda out of here. Secure every connection before we move it. Let's bring this one back to life.
We are at the workshop now. Time
Let's
to
start with
start
a
the
complete
work on
inspection.
this Honda vessel.
Every
Let's
damaged
bring it
section
back
needs
to
to be
life.
documented. We need everything accessible before the structural repairs begin.
The rust penetration here is significant.
I'm getting 3 millimeters on the caliper at this seam.
We'll need to cut back further than anticipated.
The structure is solid. Now we can move into precision body repair. The structure is solid. Now we can move into precision body repair.
Look at the corrosion on these hybrid connectors.
Yeah, we'll need to replace the entire harness. Check the rear mounts.
Okay, the headlight assemblies are accounted for, and the trim pieces are all here.
Cross-reference with the main list for the HRV.
Everything needs to match the original specification.
This is the replacement molding for the rear arch. Looks like a perfect match to the contour. Dimensions are spot on, and lug nuts match the spec sheet. All right, these are approved for installation.
We'll replace every damaged connection with the correct component.
Inventory complete on the RS Hybrid. Everything is staged and ready for assembly.
Confirmed. The electrical harnesses are all prepped.
We need another millimeter to the left.
How does that look?
Perfect. Hold it there while I fasten the top bolt.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Tabs are lined up. Securing the top clips now. Hand me the driver.
Okay, that feels secure. How's the alignment on your side?
Panel gap is spot on. Let's get the bolts tightened. Got the last fastener in. Beautiful. Panel gaps are consistent all around. That's the last one.
Torque to spec. The stance looks perfect. Is the ventilation outlet flush?
Yes, the seams look perfect here. The alignment looks perfect, clear to lower. Roger that. Bringing it down now, watch the front end. And we are settled. Excellent work.
And now the paint job. Watch this vessel get its new color from rough to fresh. Let's go.
I'm seeing excellent gloss uniformity here. Agreed. The reflections are crisp. Temperature is stable.
All lighting circuits are responding correctly.
From abandoned to fully restored. She's finally back on the road.